Hey Service, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gisha_everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes. So if I get straight into this video, I want you guys to like it, comment and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I upload a new video. Yes. And also follow my social media. That's down below in the description box, and everything else, my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, all of those things, they're down below in the description box. Okay guys, so today we're going to do a video reaction to Gabriel Henrique, Tenho, Falta. Yes, if I mispronounced that, I'm sorry. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Pastor, mestre, de nada eu tenho falta, de nada eu tenho falta. Pastor, mestre, de nada eu tenho falta, de nada eu tenho falta. Quando estou abatido, quando estou em perigo, de nada eu tenho falta, de nada eu tenho falta. Quando estou abatido, quando estou em perigo, de nada eu tenho falta, de nada eu tenho falta. Jeová Jireh, Jeová Nissi, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom. Pastor, mestre, de nada eu tenho falta, de nada eu tenho falta. Pastor, mestre, de nada eu tenho falta, de nada eu tenho falta. Jeová Jireh, Jeová Nissi, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Jireh, Jeová Nissi, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom, Jeová Shalom. Quando estou abatido, quando estou em perigo, de nada eu tenho falta, de nada eu tenho falta.
Oh my god, y'all, this is a good song. I don't understand what he's singing or whatever, or what he's saying, but if you know what he's saying, you can feel free to drop it down below in the comment section so I can know. Yes, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and all those things. Yes, and also follow my social media that's down below in the description box. Yes. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.